Hi there, students. An eventuality. An eventuality is something that may happen, something that may occur. So, in the event that this happens, in the eventuality that this happens. Okay, I think in the event is probably more probable. An eventuality, something that may occur, but it's not very likely. And also, most commonly, we use eventuality for something that's unpleasant. So a good contingency plan should cover every eventuality, every possible occurrence, every possible circumstance, every possible natural or natural event, every likelihood, every chance. Okay, so an eventuality, something unpleasant or unexpected that might happen or could happen in the future. Yeah. An insurance policy is to cover you for unexpected eventualities. I think maybe a contingency is a more formal way of saying an eventuality, a possible happening. Yeah. He's a really tough character and is able to cope or deal with every eventuality, every possible outcome, every possible development, every incident that might happen. Okay, so an eventuality, a possible event, a possible outcome. Yeah, you need to plan and be ready for every eventuality. Okay, so you need to take into account, need to think about the possible eventuality of something bad unhappening. I think in life it's probably impossible to plan for every eventuality, but we try to plan for as many eventualities as we can. Yeah, so an eventuality, a contingent event. Yeah, so I guess rain is is an eventuality that you need to think about when planning your picnic. So have somewhere at hand that if it rains, in the eventuality that it rains, in the circumstance that it rains, then you have an alternative plan or a place to sit so it doesn't affect your picnic. Okay, so the contingency plan is designed to work in this very eventuality. Yeah. In this specific eventuality, and when this specific thing occurs. Okay, so yeah, a contingency, a possibility, something that's going to happen. So eventuality, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. 5 1/4, 5. Use it anyway. It's a bit more on a touch on the formal side, but I think use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to French, it comes from as to the origin, it comes from French, from éventualité, éventuelle, which, well, I would guess this comes from Latin, event. Yeah, a out of and venio to come. So yeah, an eventuality comes out of something. Yeah, so yeah, the eventuality is an occurrence. So, are you ready for every eventuality when you're speaking English? Yeah, when you speak English, you need to be able to deal with all and every eventuality. Yeah, somebody who speaks in a really weird accent. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. An eventuality. in the eventuality that